Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and in this video I am decorating for the last week in November. It starts on the 27th and it ends on the 3rd of December, so I'm really excited. Officially Christmas season in my planner, so let's go ahead and jump in. First of all, I want to say I am super annoyed that there was a smudge on my camera lens and I did not even know it until after it was completely filmed. So I'm so sorry. There's like this weird haze on the whole video, but you know, we're just going to roll with it. So I'm using the Happy Holi-yays sticker book, the Christmas section. And I started out, of course, in the sidebar. That's where I kind of build upon my spread. So I started with this cute girl down at the bottom that's like hauling her Christmas tree, and then two big checklists because there's a lot going on this week. So that was definitely where I pulled all of my ideas from to start with for the spread, and then just kind of built upon that. So these Christmas trees are so stinking cute. I decided to put the paper sticker down first because it was going to go over that box and then it wouldn't show through, and then I could put the metallic one on top of that, so then I can layer them together. So definitely think that was a good call. Super cute. If there was like one day that I could choose from where there wasn't as much going on, it was Tuesday. So that's where I was able to put that other box. But other than that, honestly, I have something going on every single day for this whole week. I know I am uploading this late, but I did again film this on time. It's just been crazy over here now that it's the holiday season. There's just a lot going on. My husband was out of town the whole week, all sorts of stuff. So all right, so on Friday, on December 1st, there's like a bunch of different bills that are due, and then trash day, all sorts of stuff. So I put those bullet points down with an important header, I guess you would call it. And I definitely wanted to use this washi that matches with this sticker book. So I went ahead and put two different strips down, and then once I find the page that has the sticker strips, then I'm going to layer those together, but you'll see that in 1 second. I found this girl that was pulling her Christmas tree, the really big one, but there's so much going on Saturday, I decided to put down the small version of her instead. So that definitely is working out. On Saturday morning, we're going to the Christmas parade in the town that we live in, and then we also have my husband's cousin's baby shower. And that is about an hour and a half from where we live. So it's still in North Carolina, but just kind of a drive. So we probably won't be home like the whole day, but definitely excited for that. Super fun. Then this Christmas tree sticker page is so stinking cute. I honestly want to use all of them. Also, all these gifts are so cute. But I decided to go ahead and do that same thing where I put the paper sticker down first and then layer the metallic one on top. So definitely happy with how it turned out. I love all the metallics mixed in with like the brighter colors. But I want to hear what y'all think. So please let me know what you think in the comments down below. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.